Are you looking for a juicy baked chicken recipe that you can make almost every week? Well, today I'm going to show you guys my secret on how to make juicy baked chicken thighs in the oven. If you're new to my channel, do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it, and let's dive in. I have 4 chicken thighs here, nice and clean as you guys can see. I am going to drizzle a little bit of olive oil on there, just like this, a good amount, just to make sure the seasonings stick. And we have a few seasonings here. I will leave them down below, but I'll be using onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, a little bit of thyme, ground black pepper, salt, adobo, and some lemon pepper, a few, okay? Just pour your seasoning just like so, flip them over, and then we're going to season the other side, just like this, okay? Now, this is my to-go baked chicken recipe. It's always come out delicious and flavorful. Just make sure you get that seasoning in. We're going to lift the skin of the chicken as well because, hey, we want this part to be nice and juicy and flavorful. So that's one thing I like to do. Okay, perfect. Now you're going to grab your baking dish. You're going to place your chicken thighs right in. Place them in there just like so. And a lot of you guys have been asking, do I ever cover my baked chicken? No, I never, ever cover them. It's always baked just like this. I have my oven preheating on 350 Fahrenheit, so let's place it in there. Now we're going to let it bake for about 40 to 45 minutes. When it's done, I'll show you guys how it looks. All right, guys, our baked chicken is ready and it's smelling amazing. It's looking so juicy. Come take a look. Time to give this chicken a try, you guys. It is smelling absolutely flavorful up in here. The chicken looks so juicy. Let me show you guys how juicy this is. Let's give it a try, shall we? Let me tell you, this will be the most juiciest chicken you ever try in your entire life. It's so juicy, so flavorful, and of course, it's amazing. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you find this video helpful. Also, subscribe if you're new to my channel. I will see you guys on the next recipe.